Here we're going to take a look at adding resources through TexQuest to our Canvas. So what we're going to do is select Learn 360 from high school. Learn 360 shows up in all three levels, but just for demonstration purpose, we're going to show high school. So Learn 360, and here we clicked on STEM lessons. Okay, so we're going to search however, whatever topic we need to find. I'm just going to grab one right off of here and open that up. And if I want to, I can preview it to make sure this is what I want for my students. Various topics, the divs, the different interactives. I love the fact that you can check it and it tells them right away whether they're right or wrong. But let's say that we went through all this and we were happy with what we saw and we want to bring that into our class. It's really straightforward. We go up here to the share button, embed, and we want to grab this LTI link. And what we'll do is we'll come to our Canvas course that we're going to add this to. I'm in my assignments, and I'm going to add an assignment. I'm going to give it the title that I want it to be, Learn 360 Tectonic Activity. At this point, I can do all the things that the rich content editor offers me, right? I can bring in links, I can change the font, I can bring in images and audio, documents, files. I can balance it all out with a table. But all you have to do to get the Learn 360 resource available to your students is just paste that link. Hit space one time. Notice that now the text has become active. Again, I could take and insert an image here, and then I could apply that link to it if I wanted to. I just come over here to link after I've inserted an image. Let's see what we have here in the course image. We'll take this one, just because it's fun, and just to model that, we select the image itself. Notice the blue border around it. And then we come up here to either insert link, or we click on our link button here. And this is an external link that we're applying to it. So we drop that link right in here, or paste it in there. Click down. Down here we have our typical settings for an assignment for our grading purposes, and that's a little beyond the scope of this particular activity, but you can see, points, what assignment group do we want to put it in. You don't have to apply the external tool link here. Again, they're going to be able to access it through the link. What you will want to do is possibly provide some type of rubric or grading directions, and the grading directions you probably want to put in this rich content editor piece. The rubric we'll take a look at in a second. You actually have to finish creating the assignment to then apply the rubric. So we come down here, save and publish, and now the students, again, this is kind of a fun picture, but the picture is linked, and it's the same link as that, so you don't have to do both of them. Just wanted to model how to link the picture. When I click on that, it's going to open in a new tab, and notice all the other things on the page are gone. It's only this activity. All right, so they can go through it. There are those interactives are available for them. They can check their work. Got that one right randomly. So yeah, that is how you get the lesson in there for the students. Just an extra, right here we see rubric, and this is where we can create our rubric for grade. Now, again, that's a little beyond the scope of this, but you can add more criterion here to your rubric. You can add different columns to the rows. criteria. And the main thing you need to do here is make sure that your points total up to the total points for the assignment. For this assignment, we hadn't set it 100 points, so we would need to adjust these so that they matched the assignment and it would grade properly. Right. So that's about it for this video on getting Learn 360 resources from TexQuest into a Canvas assignment.